Welcome back to Trading Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, detailed specs, and in-depth features on the most exciting vehicles in the market. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Ford Bronco, an SUV that continues to combine rugged off-road capability with modern comfort and technology for everyday use and adventure seekers alike. The 2025 Bronco stays true to its heritage with a bold and boxy design that's instantly recognizable. It comes with a range of engine options to suit different driving needs. The base engine is a 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers a strong balance of power and efficiency. For those wanting more performance, there's a 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 available. And the top-tier models like the Bronco Raptor come with a high-output 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 that delivers thrilling performance on and off the road. All engines are paired with either a 7-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic, giving drivers control and confidence in various driving situations. Ford has equipped the 2025 Bronco with impressive off-road features that make it ready for any terrain. It includes standard four-wheel drive, multiple GOAT modes that let you tailor the vehicle's performance to different surfaces, and available front and rear locking differentials for enhanced traction. Higher trims and off-road-focused models include features like skid plates, high-clearance suspension, and 35-inch all-terrain tires straight from the factory. The Bronco's design also allows for removable doors and roof panels, offering a true open-air experience when exploring the outdoors. Inside, the Bronco balances rugged design with user-friendly technology. The cabin features durable materials that can handle dirt and mud, especially in the trims with washable rubberized flooring and marine-grade vinyl seating. At the same time, you'll find plenty of modern comforts such as heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a digital instrument cluster in higher trims. The available 12-inch touchscreen runs on Ford's Sync 4 system and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with connected navigation and over-the-air updates to keep the system current. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Bronco is well equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360 driver assist features. This includes blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera with a built-in washer. Optional upgrades add adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and trail-specific tools like Trail, Turn Assist, and Trail Control, which make navigating tight trails and steep descents easier and safer. Cargo space is generous, especially in the four-door version, and the rear seats fold flat to accommodate gear for camping, biking, or off-road adventures. Roof racks and a wide range of available accessories also allow owners to customize the Bronco to fit their lifestyle, whether it's for weekend trips or daily commuting. The 2025 Ford Bronco continues to stand out as a versatile SUV that blends off-road performance, everyday comfort, and advanced features into one exciting package. It's built for those who want more than just a ride from point A to B. It's for drivers who seek freedom, flexibility, and fun behind the wheel. Thanks for tuning into Trading Cars. If you enjoyed this review and want more detailed car content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.